Hey guys, today we're looking at our Graze Box. Let's see what's inside. We've got a little flyer in here. Tells you about your rewards, how you can give your boxes to friends. They'll get their first box free when you give them this little coupon. I really like this box, very cute. See, it's all lined up there very nicely. We've got sour cream and onion cashews, raspberry and coconut and muffin, apple crumble, Eleanor's apple crumble, and chocolate pretzel. So the chocolate pretzel is poppy seed pretzels with chocolate hazelnut dip. And you just take the pretzel out, dip it in the hazelnut dip. There you have it. Next we have Eleanor's apple crumble, which has soft apple pieces with raisins and cinnamon honey almonds. So we've got our apple pieces, our raisins, and our cinnamon honey almonds. Next we have the raspberry and coconut muffin, which has raspberry cranberries, coconut, and amaretti drops and almonds. So here are raspberry cranberries, our coconut, our amaretti drops, and our almonds. And last, we have our sour cream and onion cashews. And there they are, sour cream and onion cashews.